My name's Zeke, I'm in grade 12 and I'm doing an apprenticeship in appliance servicing.
I'm Zara, I'm in year 12. I'm studying electrotechnology and I'm specialising in high voltage.
I'm Nat, I'm in year 10 and I'm planning to be an electrician.
I started at King's in year 7 and then halfway through grade 10 I decided to move to the trade college. I love KTTC because it gives me the opportunity to finish grade 12 and spend time with my friends and play sport, and then on the other hand I get to work as well and earn money.
I'm Raylene, Zeke's mum. The biggest change we've seen in Zeke's probably happened in the last few months, where we've seen him start to transition from being a student to someone that can be in a workplace as an employee.
With opportunities at KTTC to spend more time on the core subjects, we felt this is what JC really needed. Having more time and the learning style that they have here has really helped her thrive and excel.
This year has been a fantastic year for Michaela. She has had wonderful support around her through the school. They've really gone over and above to support her.
In grade 9, I knew I wanted to be an electrician, and KTTC helped me choose that opportunity.
I love that I can still play touch while I'm here and I can represent my school, and I love that it's smaller classes, more of a family feel and a really good community.
So what Teo's enjoyed about KTTC more than anything is he's motivated to attend. He's doing something that's intrinsically something he wants to be a part of, and he's really enjoying the process, learning a lot from the work environment and also from the teachers here.
We have just been blown away by the support that the teachers have given Zeke. We have seen that they are really all about seeing him succeed and move on to his next space in life.
I really love being a leader here at KTTC because I've got to be a role model and help create a positive community.
I travel 3 hours each day, but to me, it's worth it.
As a father and as a parent, I would definitely recommend KTTC because what I've seen with Teo and how he's thriving and really enjoying the process of learning and growing, and it's going to set him up for a great career.